Welcome to Cryptography Sauce, the new generation of breaking news and updates on the cryptoverse. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to show your support for the new age of fintech. My name is Lakshmi and here is today's blockchain update. Today will be another short tutorial on how to add Reflecto token to your Trust wallet. Make sure to check out our video how to buy Reflecto coin. Click the toggle button in the top right corner of Trust wallet. You will get a list of cryptocurrency to add into your wallet. At the bottom is Add Custom Token. You will get 4 inputs for name, symbol, decimal points and contract address. You can get the contract address on CoinMarketCap and verify on the Binance Smart Chain Scan if you want to double check. Reflecto is the name and ticker symbol. Once you add the contract address, the fields should enter automatically. Now you can see Reflecto and all transactions. That is the end of the tutorial. Link to Trust wallet will be in the description box. Share your comments on this tutorial. Let us know what you think about the future of Reflecto. Check out our video What is Reflecto token? Link will also be in the description. Thank you for tuning in.